Creative Art. My name is Dilma and today we are going to make this beautiful 3D clay wall decor. Friends, please do watch the whole video to make this beautiful wall decor yourself, and do subscribe my channel friends to watch more creative art painting videos, and do press the bell icon to get notifications for each video I post every week. In very simple and few steps, we have created this beautiful wall decors which you can use for decorating your living rooms, garden areas or your bedrooms. This can be easily hanged using two-side tape, or you can also frame them in your way as you want and place it in the favorable places. All the materials required to make this 3D clay wall art are mentioned in the description box below with their links from where you can also buy them, as well as shown in the video. To get this image to use it as a reference, please do click on the link www.creativearthome.com, which is my website. So enjoy painting friends. Friends, first of all, let's check out all the materials which we are going to require for clay painting. First of all, and the most important material which we are going to require is Shilpakar White M Seal for art and craft from Fevicryl. This is non-sticky. This is a 50-gram pack you can see for worth rupees 15. So this is a lot worth of in 15 rupees, and I just love to use this product as compared to other clay products. So friends, for this project I'm going to use this 2 pieces of soft board as a base, and the size of this 2 pieces of soft boards are 30 length and 8 centimeters. And the third are the acrylic colors which we'll need to color our painting. And one of the important tools are clay modeling tools. Here you can see it's written modeling tools and set. This is specially used for clay modeling. This is one of the most important tool required for clay modeling. Other than that, we can use a palette knife or else a cutter for cutting the clay, and a cylindrical pencil for rolling the clay. Okay, so let's start now. So first of all, I'm going to draw a very basic and simple design. I'll mark my flowers where I want them to be. I'm using a black gel pen to draw my flowers. So here friends, our design is ready, and this is the structure of design we are going to make on both the sides, and I have selected these molds for making this project. First of all, I'm going to mix up my clay. Cut both of them in equal parts first and then just mix it. I have applied some talcum powder on the base, and this is the clay part ready. So I'm going to just roll it and make it thin and long as possible. Then you have to apply Fevicol on the part, this line where you want to apply it. Gently lift it up and place it exactly. I'll do the same with the rest of the part. In the same way, you have to roll piece by piece and keep making the branches. So here friends, the branches making part is completed. So now I'm going to show you how we can make leaves and flowers. First of all, you have to take a big chunk of clay, roll it using a roller. I'm using my cylindrical pencil here. We don't want this chunk of clay to be very thin, but we want it to be equal in size from all the sides. I'm applying some talcum powder here. Okay, before laying this down, we'll apply a lot of talcum powder wherever we want to shape it. Apply this on it. I'll also smooth the top of it. For making leaf, I have selected this mold. You can see it very clearly. It also has a button for pressing and there's an imprint. I want the surface to be as smooth as possible and level, so I have applied talcum powder on it. Now I'll also apply a little bit of talcum powder on my base of the leaf and then make an imprint of leaf, and then finally press this. Okay, so here I have got a leaf. I'll take it out. And next I'm going to show you the flower mold I'm going to use is this one, and on that I'm going to use a punch of this one. So first of all, I'll apply a little bit of talcum powder, set my punch, and yes, make a print, take it out. And this is my second punch which I'm going to do on center one and take it out. Okay, so this is the first side flower we are going to make, and the second side is going to be star shape. Okay, and this is the star shape we'll get. And other than that, I'm going to put a small star shape on above that flower, so we'll also make it. Remove it with the help of a tool. This will come this way on the center of it in a 5-star way. Okay, you can also press it if you want in the initial way. Okay, so these are the leaf we are going to make and the 2 flower shapes. So I have to do multiple punch because we need many leaves and few flowers. I'm also going to show you the butterfly I'm going to make. This is the butterfly punch, you can see, and then punch it. Okay, so these are the beautiful butterfly we are going to need. So I'll make as many as we need and then we'll start again. Okay. In the same way, we have to make so many different leaves of same size, and when they are made, you have to mold it in different ways. For example, in this way or in this way, and then let them get dry. Okay, you can also place it. Okay, so in the same way, I'm just going to cut these molds, and after that we'll start placing them wherever they are required. Okay, so now I have finally molded these many leaves, and I'm just going to place them one by one wherever I feel them comfortable and right. So I'll pick one, place it here, and whenever I'm going to place it, I'm going to mix up its end to the branch so that it may look much more natural. So friends, here you can see I have shaped 2 different types of flowers. This is the star shaped flower which we are going to place for this one, and this is the round shaped flower which we are going to place for this one. Okay, so what you have to do is, after taking them out when they are dried up completely, you have to give them a finishing by removing the extra chunk of clay if there is any remaining. Okay, first you have to do that finishing part. You can also use your tool. So now I'm going to start from the top position, and I'll apply a little bit of glue, only some as I require, on the places where I'm going to place the flowers. Okay, so finally this is a sample which we are going to do the same on the right side. Just place few flowers on the right part, and on the empty space like this and this, we are going to place few butterflies. Okay friends, we are going to let this part get dry. Till that, I'm going to complete this one, and finally I'll show you how does it looks. Okay, so yeah friends, our clay modeling is finally completed, and this is how beautiful it has come up, and it absolutely looks perfect as the size of flowers are equal and all the leaves size are equal. I have also placed 2 butterflies on each boards. So this is how it looks. It has come up really very beautiful and perfect. So now I'm going to start coloring the base coat using black acrylic color. You can also use a color according to your choice. I have selected black. So friends, what I'll do is I'll completely color the base as black, and after that I will show you how does it looks. Okay friends, here finally I have completed coloring the whole base coat and giving the whole painting as a black color. So after that you have to let it get dry, as I have let this part get dry. So now in my palette I have taken antique gold color, which is acrylic, and this is the golden dust powder which I'm also going to use with it. I'll just put both of them together, and then using a sponge, a corner of a sponge, I'll apply both and just tap on few places wherever you want it to be or look gold. You can also do just the golden tapping on the flowers and the branches, but this is completely your choice how you want it to look. I'll do the golden tapping on the empty spaces where I want. Okay, so this part is finally completed and this is how it looks. So friends, this is also a process by which you can color your clay paintings and it will give you an antique look. It really looks very pretty with the golden and black color, but I'm going to color it further, and I'm also going to take just few pics so that if you need to make it in this way, you can also take it for reference. Now friends, I'm going to start the coloring part using acrylic color, and first of all I'm going to use light green acrylic color for coloring the leaves and the branches, and for that I'm also going to use a flat hair brush and I'll show you the technique. So here you can already see that first of all we have done the black color, then we did a partial of golden, and now I'm going to start coloring the leaf part using green color. So what we have to do is we have to start from any of the one corner. Don't tap the whole color. We just want the leaf and branches to be partially look as green, okay, but the golden look should not go. So in the same way, I'm first of all going to do all the leaves and branches as green, and then I will show you how does it looks. Okay, so the coloring of leaves is done. So now I'm going to start coloring flowers, and I'm going to use a pink color and a round hair brush, quite long. You have seen how I have done the colors of leaf. In the same way I have to do the colors of flowers. So friends, in the same way I'm going to do the flower coloring part, and after that I will show you how does it looks. Okay, so friends, after coloring this flowers, to color the next flowers in the next soft board, and the center part is already golden as you can see. So I'm going to color this second center using 263 red. This is metallic acrylic color, and the outer next part, this one you can see, I'm going to use 349 scarlet from pearl acrylic color. Okay, and now I'm going to use 344 scarlet pearl color and color the bottom part of this using it. Okay friends, so in the same way I'm going to do the coloring part, and after that I will show you how does it looks. Okay, so friends, this is how it looks when the coloring part has got completed. I have done a lot of changes in the colors of flower, and now I'm going to tell you the names of the colors I have used. For this flower I have used 263 red acrylic color, this is metallic, and on this one I have used the same 263 red metallic, and the bottom color is 367 light pink pearl acrylic color. Okay, this was a metallic acrylic color, and Here I have used a pearl acrylic color, and now I have chosen 318 sky blue pearl acrylic color, and using this I'm going to color the butterflies. And now I'm going to use 262 silver metallic 3D acrylic cone to make few dots in the center of this flower. And I'm also going to do few designs on the butterfly. So friends, this is the final look of our beautiful 3D clay wall art. I have used different acrylic colors from pearl and metallics, of which link you can find in the description box below. Please do tell me in the comments below how did you find this video, friends, and if you did like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.